Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add SoundCloud songs to Spotify. So for the first method, you can try to search for the tunemymusic.com website. And then from here, you're going to select the SoundCloud platform as a source. So you're going to have to link your SoundCloud account to Tune My Music. So just select SoundCloud from this option, and then you're going to have to connect your account. And then once that's done, you're going to have to select a content that's available on your SoundCloud account. After that, you're going to select Spotify as your destination, and you're going to have to link your Spotify to Tune My Music as well. An alternative method is to download the song from SoundCloud. So use a website like ClickOdd to download the song as an MP3 file. Then, enable local files on Spotify. So just open Spotify and go to Settings, scroll down to Local Files and toggle the switch to enable it. Then, go to your library and find Local Files. Add the downloaded MP3 file to any playlist you want. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.